Welcome, traders. As we look ahead to 2026, one of the most powerful upgrades you can make is moving from manually watching charts to automating your market alerts. With FXCM, this isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic edge. Here's how to build your automated alert system for the year ahead. First, leverage FXCM's trading station platform. Within it, you can create conditional orders that do much more than just enter a trade. Use them as sophisticated alert engines. Set a condition based on your precise strategy. For example, if gold touches $2,500. But instead of automatically executing an order, set the action to send notification. You'll get an immediate ping, giving you the final decision power. Next, integrate TradingView with your FXCM account. This opens a world of community-built indicators. Find a script for, say, a custom divergence indicator or a volatility squeeze. Then, use TradingView's native alert system. When your chosen condition triggers on the chart, you can set the alert to send a detailed email or mobile push notification directly to you. The key for 2026 is context-rich alerts. Don't just alert on price. Automate alerts for when the RSI on the 4-hour chart crosses 70, while price tests a major weekly resistance level. That specific multi-factor signal cuts through the market noise. Finally, schedule your check-in alerts. Use calendar or reminder apps to prompt you for weekly strategy reviews or ahead of major economic data releases. Automation in 2026 isn't about removing you from the process. It's about programming the markets to report to you on your terms. You design the rules, and your alerts ensure you never miss the opportunity. Start building your system now, and trade smarter for the entire year ahead.